Finding the right shoe size, it's a struggle we've all faced. Measuring your foot accurately is tough enough, but then matching it to the right shoe, that's a whole other challenge, especially when shopping online. Traditional methods like the Brannock Device have been around for decades, but let's be honest, nobody has one of those at home. And without it, accurate foot measurement can be tricky. Simple methods like tracing your foot or using a ruler can lead to mistakes. Depending on how you hold the pen, the pressure on your foot, or if you're measuring alone, the results can vary every time. It's unreliable, especially for people with a larger body size who may find it harder to take these measurements themselves. But finally, there's a solution. Prime AI's Shoe Size Finder makes it quick and easy to find your perfect size, all from the comfort of your home. With just a single photo of your foot, we offer a consistent and reliable measurement every time. Prime AI doesn't just measure your foot, it learns from real data. Each time a customer uses it, we refine our accuracy, using data from returns to improve future recommendations, not just for you, but for everyone. And we match your foot to the exact inventory that the retailer holds. Even shoes from the same brand can fit differently if made in different factories, but we account for that, ensuring a perfect match. Shopping for shoes online doesn't have to be a guessing game anymore. With Prime AI's easy and accurate shoe size finder, you can step into the right fit every time. Try Prime AI's Shoe Size Finder today and enjoy a seamless, stress-free shopping experience.